Chirit. Tingi. Jumbi. See you. Okay, students. Now today we'll do a small workout. Okay, this is called a cardio workout. Okay, which helps you in increasing your strength. Okay, your flexibility also, which is very important in Taekwondo. Okay, first we'll have a workout. We'll do all the exercises, all these cardio workouts for 15 counts. Okay, in between we'll be giving you a break for 20 seconds. Ready? First we'll start with jumping jacks. Okay, show me one jumping jacks. So cross your legs and touch. Okay, we'll do this for 15 counts. Ready? On your marks, jumping jacks, 15 counts. First we'll do it slowly, yeah? No need to do fast because you have to learn first. See, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, stop. Relax. Okay, whenever I give relax, okay, you'll just free your legs out and relax. Okay, next we'll start with burpee jumps. Okay, it's called burpees. Just see one exercise. Ready? Start. Show me one next. You'll put your palms down, in and get up and jump. This is called burpee jumps. Okay, turn this side. Okay, ready? 15 count burpee jumps. On your marks. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, stop. Now relax for 30 seconds. And relax. You just jerk your legs out. Follow the command. You can take a deep breath. Okay, look forward. You can take a deep breath. Okay, look forward here. Okay, stretch 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Follow the command. Inhale. Look up. Close your eyes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Push the air out. Do as I say. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, next we'll start with star jumps. Okay, we'll do for 15 counts. Okay, you know the star, how it looks. Okay, once when you jump, it looks like a star. Okay, ready? On your marks, get set, go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, relax. Relax, 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 relax. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now we'll start with high knee march. Okay, we'll just show one. Okay, ready? High knee march. Show with one. Okay, this is high toe. Okay, sidewards. You'll do sidewards. Again with the heel. Okay, yes, stop. Okay, this is good for your knee, knee and your thighs. Okay, as taekwondo, in taekwondo we do a lot of high level kicks. Okay, taekwondo is popular for flying kicks. So this will help you to lift your knee up to the higher level. Okay. Okay, we'll start with high knee march. Okay, we'll do all this high knee march for 10 counts. Ready? We'll start with toe. Ready? Start 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Okay, now sidewards. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, heel. 10 counts. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. You can just sit down, sit, and sit with your butterfly exercises. Relax for 20 seconds. Keep doing your butterfly exercises. Okay, next. Okay. Next we are going to do with jumping lunges. Okay, please stand up. Okay, just see this one exercise, jumping lunges. Ready? Show me one. Ready? Okay, stay there. Okay, your knee should be bent. Cross your both hands and you have to jump and change your knee down. Okay, this is good for your thighs. Okay, your knee as well as your heel and your back. Okay, you keep your back straight. Okay, your backbone. Okay, your backbone will have a good flexibility as well as strength. Okay, now turn this side. Okay, okay, show me with the sidewards. Ready? 15 counts. Ready? On your marks. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come back, relax. You can sit down. Sit with the butterfly exercises. Sit down, relax. Take a deep breath inside and exhale. Okay, you can touch your forehead to the toe and relax there. Okay, next exercises we'll do exercise called inclusion. Okay, this we are doing for your shoulder. Okay, it increases your strengthening for your triceps and your biceps. Okay, as well as your collarbone and even your abdomen also. Okay, it gives even strengthen to your wrist. Okay, increases the strength on your wrist, which is very important when you do your hand techniques, especially your punches, your blocks, your strikes. It increases a lot of strength. Okay, this is called inclusion. Okay, okay, ready? Stand up. Okay, we'll do it for 15 counts. Okay, you always, whenever you take a rest and stand up, you have to check your dress. Okay, your belt should be tight to your hip, not your stomach. Okay, okay, ready? Okay, palms down. Okay, ready? Start. 1, ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, the last one. 14. Okay, slowly stand up. Okay, you can go for a butterfly. Sit down. Butterfly position. Okay, open your legs out. Open your legs out. Okay, just relax. You can go for a stretch down, stretch forward. Relax, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, up. Okay, slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale and exhale forward. Okay, try to touch your forehead to the knee. Exhale. Okay, change. Exhale. Again, stretch forward. Both hands forward. Try to touch your chest down, and your nose should touch the ground. Put your both palms down. Okay. Exhale and inhale. Slowly up. Okay, so just sit there. Okay, next we are going to do the last exercises, that is push-ups. We are doing palm push-up, knuckle push-up, and diamond push-ups. Okay, slowly up. So just 10 push-ups. Ready? Okay, free your legs out. Check your dress. Okay, ready? First, the palm push-up. Ready? Put your palms down. Okay, keep your hands one shoulder width. Okay, little more back. Come little more back. Okay, ready? Start 10 counts. Start 1, chest down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sit there. Okay, just rotate your arms out. Rotate your wrist. Rotate your wrist. Wrist rotation. And lock your arms and stretch there. Change. Stretch your arms back. Stretch your arms. Change your hands. Okay, start with diamond push-up. Diamond push-up. You have to cross your hand. Just show this side. Okay, your hands, you make diamond shape. Okay, and you put your palms down and do with diamond. This is called diamond shape palm push-up. Okay, start. 1. Try your best. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, please sit down. Okay, push your palms down now. Keep your body forward. Again, stretch forward there. Ready? Relax your body. Okay, ready? Okay, slowly stand up. Stand up. Okay, you fold your knee in. Okay, we'll do some cool down exercise. Pull your right knee in. Hold with both hands and push towards your chest. Balance your body. Change. Try to stretch and stay there. Okay, now sidewards. Up the other leg. Change. Inwards. Change. Okay, backwards. Change. Okay, now stretch backwards. Same, change the leg and stretch. Put your hands forward and stretch. Okay, change your legs. Last stretching. Okay, down. Turn. Stretch downwards and hold your toes inside. Stretch your toes inside maximum. Put your palms to the ground and stretch your back down. Put your palms down. Try to stretch. Slowly up. Okay, check your dresses. Turn to your left side. Turn. Chariot. Kingi.
One.
Okay, student, thank you. Have a nice day. Drink lot of water. Okay, we'll see you in the next class.